Hey kids, back again. We are going to take a look at using reference images. And the reference image is going to allow us to go and paint on top of it, and we can start to just have a little experiment before we go into our proper artwork to begin with. So on an iPad, you have your dock like a MacBook at the bottom, and when you bring your finger up like this, you have your apps that can appear at the bottom like a little dock, and you just drag your finger up like that. What you're able to do is go and drag those apps to one side or the other, and so you're able to go and split your screen. The other thing that it allows you to do is you can use the floating pane like this. Now sometimes mine comes from the right hand side because that's how I have it set. You can see that little arrow there. And I can go and bring in a pane here that I can go and have multiple apps going at the same time, and it just floats, and I can move it out the way and bring it back in whenever I need it. Yours may be on the other side like this, and that's fine. And you can see that on this side the little arrow is there, like a little drawer that pops out. I have it on the right hand side in Procreate because I have this here, and I have my my pen tools here, as well as my undo redo on the bottom here. So just have a go at pulling that out. What you need to do next then is go and grab something like Safari or your browser. I think we use Brave, so you can go and get Safari. Now when you bring your tray up like this, like that, we're going to pick it up and we're going to drag it into this pane here like this. You long press and you drag it like this. Keep your finger down. You may have seen that menu pop up, ignore that, and bring it into here, and you can see that that window sort of just bumps slightly just to tell you that it's going to be able to go in there like that. And when we let go, it does that. And here I'm already in Unsplash, so you can go to unsplash.com. You can see I've got my little keyboard, and I can go to Unsplash like this because we're going to get a reference image. So really quickly pull that out, pull your dock up, drag that out and drop it onto this pane here, and you'll get your Safari like this, and you can just go and find Unsplash. So I'm going to do that first and get yourselves prepared because we're going to go and find a reference image.